that's the status of the car, doing a smog test, 6-cycle run test. I just got 1 or 2 things that need to be cleared, and you don't have to run through stages. Every day, something, always happening. Big accidents. So I caught up to the accident. And we'll wait till we pass by. So we got 2 fire trucks. Oh yeah, I'm rumbling. And all the people trying to get the car. So I'm sitting here and just idling, and all my tests are complete. I'm done. Don't have to shut off. Just keep my car ready. So let's get on out of here. Go have some fun. And get on riding. Here on Fish. Man, try to get that EGT VVC test going. Try to pass that. All I had to do was just pull to the side of the road and idle. And once I did that, I was good to go.